Welcome to my Generation Knowledge channel. Today, topic is diesel engine types and characteristics. Diesel engines are widely used in various applications such as automobiles, boats, and heavy-duty equipment. They are known for their fuel efficiency and reliability. Diesel engines come in various types, each with its unique characteristics. Compression ignition engine, CI. CI engines are the most common type of diesel engine. They use heat generated from air compression to ignite the fuel. CI engines are known for their efficiency, high torque, and low fuel consumption. Direct injection engine, DI. DI engines are a subcategory of CI engines. They inject fuel directly into the combustion chamber, providing greater fuel efficiency and power compared to indirect injection engines. Indirect injection engine, IDI. IDI engines are an older type of diesel engine that inject fuel into the pre-combustion chamber. Although less efficient than DI engines, they are still widely used in older vehicles and equipment. Two-stroke engine. Two-stroke diesel engines are typically used in small applications such as generators, outboard motors, and lawn mowers. They have a simple design and fewer moving parts, making them lightweight and easy to maintain. Four-stroke engine. Four-stroke diesel engines are the most commonly used type in automobiles, boats, and heavy-duty equipment. They offer greater fuel efficiency, reliability, and longevity compared to two-stroke engines. In conclusion, diesel engines come in various types, each with its unique characteristics. When choosing a diesel engine, it's important to consider the application, efficiency, and performance needs to make an informed decision.